You probably heard it before. No one lends to people with bad credit. That's not entirely true. The problem isn't that you can't borrow, it's that you don't know who to trust when you do. So today, let's talk about bad credit loans and how they actually work and how to borrow without getting trapped in another cycle. Hey, I'm Alex from RadCred, and I've seen how people with imperfect credit often get pushed towards the worst kind of loans, the ones that punish you for trying. That's why we built RadCred, to help you find lenders that judge you fairly, not blindly, and give you a real shot at rebuilding your financial story. A bad credit loan is exactly what it sounds like. It's designed for people with lower credit scores or a patchy repayment history. But not all bad credit loans are equal. Some are structured to help you recover with transparent terms, affordable monthly payments, and steady reporting to credit bureaus. Others, they're built to keep you dependent. High fees, no reporting, endless renewals. Here's the part most people miss. Lenders don't just look at your score. They look at your income, your job stability, and your repayment pattern. If you can show consistency, even with bad credit, you're not a risk. You're a comeback story waiting to happen. That's exactly the kind of borrower RadCred helps connect with legitimate lenders. There's a right way to borrow, even with bad credit. Don't jump at the first offer. Compare at least 3. Watch the APR. Anything above 36% should raise a red flag. Avoid lenders who promise instant approval with no checks. And if the loan doesn't help your credit improve, it's not worth taking. These small moves turn borrowing from survival to strategy. That's where RadCred changes the game. You enter your details once, your income, state, and credit range. And our platform scans verified US lenders who actually work with bad credit borrowers and filter out the shady ones. You get pre-qualified offers you can review safely, side by side. No hidden fees, no data harvesting, and no scams. Here's the best part. When you borrow right, you rebuild as you repay. Many lenders on RadCred report one-time payments to credit bureaus, which means every payment you make helps raise your score. So the next time you need to borrow, you're not starting from scratch. You're starting stronger. Bad credit isn't permanent. It's just a phase that demands better habits, better decisions. And with the right guidance, you can turn borrowing into a tool for recovery, not regret. That's what we focus on every day at RadCred. If you're looking for a safe way to borrow with bad credit, visit radcred.com. Compare real, verified lenders side by side. Check your pre-qualified options and start rebuilding your financial confidence the right way. Because being informed is the first step toward being free.